Hi, you guys. Oh, so here we go with the videos. So I'm in the kitchen and I am going to cook up. I'm going to show you. Like, see if you know what this is. What do you think that is? This is a beef heart. So I'm cooking up a beef heart in the Instapot. Oh my gosh, hey, look at that. That's gonna be fun to cook up. So I'm going to take my bone broth that I made a while ago, and I'm gonna stick that in there with it. I'm going to season it, and then I'm going to put onion over top and some garlic and some celery, and then I'm going to cook it on high pressure for 60 minutes. So I'll let you know how that turns out. It's good to eat organ meat. It's really good for you. So I hope everyone's having a good day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.